Okay, we are here in what area here? This one, Tel?
Tambalong Harbor. Northern Harbor.
Oh. Oh, ito ba yung TC? Ano yan? Ibang, yan din ang pupuntahan mo? Okay. We are here in the city to take the bib of Allison for her run. This one. Last year I joined her. But this time I don't because it's expensive also.
Yeah,
It's expensive and you have to come so early and it's very, very cold. I came with her last year to experience. That's it. I-ano mo nga din ako, Tel. I-video mo ako konti. Parang hindi mo na Tel ang yung tao, yung revolving restaurant. Parang hindi ko na din sana makahanap tayo ng ibang restaurant. Ano kayo yung mga hotel, dental? Pero Epicurean, we've been there. Okay. So, parang ang cute din talaga ng Sydney. I've been, you know what, Tel? I am like very, na happy na rin din dahil when I tours of others and I say that, oh, I've been there. It's like, para bang nakakatuwa yung naisipin na nakapunta ka na rin dun sa area na yun. Saan kayo mag-assemble? Nito, Tel?
Yeah, here.
Okay. We're here to pick up.
Yeah.
Bakit ito hindi nila idinidili ni popost, Tel? Like the other one?
No.
Oh.
That's why you have to come and get it.
Oo. Okay. You have to pick. We'll have a look. Para bang matagal na ulit. Oo nga. This one is Sydney Marathon. Yeah, we queue last time here. Again. Oo nga. Okay, dito na lang.